What's here?
What are you looking at?
What's here?
Oh, you see the boat?
I see boat.
Yeah, I see a boat in the middle of the lake. Do you like the boat?
I like the boat. I just so far away.
Yeah, it is far away. It's a little boat.
It's a little boat. She goes fast.
Yeah, he's driving the boat.
She drives the boat.
What are you doing?
This is the fish. Sorry. It's a big boat.
Yeah, what do you got?
I forgot.
What is that?
I just saw this.
You're trying to build? What are you building?
So big the castle.
Trying to build a castle?
There you go.
What are you looking for?
Yeah, I made the boat. I missed.
You missed the boat?
Where's the boat?
Where is it?
There's the boat.
Oh, he's got it all the way over there on the other side.
Yeah. What's it?
Your sticks are fine.
Yeah.
Oh, you're drumming?
Whee!
Is that your scooter?
Yeah.
Who's on your scooter?
Yeah, Bumblebee.
Bumblebee? Here, show me what your scooter does.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can see something there.
Yeah, the tree has a mess. That's right. Can you show Mommy what your scooter does?
I don't like leather. Wow.
Here, show Mommy your scooter.
I'll do it.
You're more involved with the stick.
What's the trick? What's the trick?
All right, little drummer boy, you ready to walk?
I should make this too.
You're going to get me, oh no. Oh, I hear the boat. I hear the boat.
Can I catch a boat?
No, we can't catch it, baby.
What's the boat? I see boat.
Okay, let's go over to the other side of the lake, okay?
I got legs.